Hey guys, in the call I'm going to show you today, I can't really show you, actually I could, and I might one day show you the reason I couldn't leave this house without calling the police. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about their air conditioner and my attempts to try to get these people some cooling. Stay tuned. Check on something when I'm here. I think y'all may have just heard a dog in the back. This is a place where we'll see. Hey, I've come and check on this air conditioning. Knock, knock. What's it been doing?
It just blowing in the inside, but it ain't getting cool.
Ain't
The unit off in the back.
the unit's off in the back.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna be in and out checking things out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your landlord never did nothing about these windows.
No, sir.
That looks empty. I'm gonna check things outside. Okay. All right, contactor is pulled in. That motor's hot. Or at least warm through that plastic up there. Which makes me think we're gonna have voltage. 240. 240. Oh my. You don't see disconnects like this very much. It's got fuses in it. The little screw-in fuses. Right now I am waiting on somebody to show up. I feel like somebody has to be willing to do something to stop that kind of animal abuse. I reported that to the landlord the first time I was out here. Okay, no power. I'm suspecting this capacitor right here. I'll short everything. At least try to. Those all have insulated connectors on them, so. Okay. Swap this to microfarads. That's supposed to be a 35.5. And you see I have 1 nanofarad, and on the 5, 0 nanofarads. $35.5. I got plenty of those. I have somebody helping me, and there was a question about this 440 rating, and on this you can see 440 or 370. Obviously the machine gets 240 volts, so what does this 440 or 370 rating mean, and how can I help you learn about it so that you know which capacitor to choose? Very simply, the higher the rating, 440, this one also has 440, the better the capacitor. But I'll explain it in just a second. Okay, what I'm going to try to explain is that the voltage that runs the motor comes from this black wire. You're talking about our condenser fan motor or the compressor is common and run. On the condenser fan motor, it is common and run up here. And this one for the fan is start, and this one for the compressor is start. They are basically used to help start the motor. The motor is wound in a way that's different from like a shaded pole motors, and I mean, I know that's a long time ago, that only had 2 wires to them. This one has 3 windings. One of them is a start winding, and the capacitor creates a phase shift to make it mimic like a 3-phase motor to get it started. But after the motor gets started, that winding is basically unused, and you have a rotor turning inside this motor, passing this winding that is basically inactive. And it creates electricity like a generator in the start winding. This is one, in this purple. In the start winding wires, it creates an electricity that you can measure. Hold on just a sec, I can't see what I'm doing. There is no hole there. It creates an electricity in the winding, and you can read that electricity from start to common. It can exceed 300 very easily. And this rating right here tells you how much voltage the capacitor can handle between those 2 terminals before it starts to short. So the higher the number, the better the capacitor. Try to show that when I get this cranked up. These orange wires are my run, which is right here. This one is start for my capacitor. And this is start for my compressor. excuse me, I'm gonna put voltage to this, and I'm gonna show you the voltage that this is talking about when you see that 440 or 370 rating. Okay, that motor is hot, so I'm gonna turn this off for just a second. See if I have any water around here. Something I want to check while I got the water hose out. Oh my. You gotta be kidding me. That's horrible. And yep, I got one on all four sides. Oh my. Okay, that voltage I was telling you about, I'm going to measure on the compressor. Measure from here to here. And if y'all can see that, that's 345 volts. That voltage is what this voltage rating is for on the capacitors. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Riley, come here. The people want to see you. Riley's taking a whiz right now. Come here, boy. Riley. He just don't know that he's a star. And he has no modesty. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, how about like and subscribe? And I'll catch you on the next one.